What's up, bikes? Check out what we have here. Suzuki GSX-R 6.0 variant. This is 2009. I mean, it has its little details. Tutanaslanawing bike, but honestly 10 out of 10. I've been able to ride it before, and now it's a little more pampered, and now it has a few more extras that were added. And we're going to test it, also take advantage, make this video, and promote it, because guess what? It's for sale, man. This bike is national and can go to your home for just 95,000 pesos. So if you want it, check out the video, see what it conveys to me, see what we say about the motorcycle, and see if you can take it. You know it, cash, credit, however, but take it, man. Let's go for it here. Osakusemati, Assisisatane. I mean, I have already been able to ride this motorcycle before when it was just acquired to test it, and I noticed some things. They are semi-new motorcycles. Obviously not 100%, but if you want a new motorcycle, I can also sell you a new one. But what could be better than also being able to buy a little motorcycle that fits your budget, knowing the condition it's in, and being able to invest in it to make it better than new, man? So let's go for it. Let's enjoy it right now while it warms up a bit. And let me tell you that I started with a 600. So obviously I like the GSX-R 1.0, you'll see the video. Maybe you've already seen it. Suzuki GSX-R 1.0, I love it. For me, it's the new 600. I mean, it makes me feel like I'm riding this for the first time. But riding a 600, it completely fulfills me. It's a bike that I understand quite well, okay? This is old school. There are no ABS brakes, we only have power control here in different positions, but there is no traction control, no key, no quick shift, no ABS brakes. It's an old bike, old school, a bike for main man. So let's go for it and let's get to know this beautiful Suzuki GSX-R 600. My easy! And if you want to buy it, then buy it, man. Take it. They have been customers who then add even more extras to make it go faster, and honestly, the way this one runs, believe me, it's more than enough. I have already tested the brakes. Very good. Go ahead. I have already shifted gears. I have ridden it here inside the plaza, and it works very, very well. Buddy Shui, blessing from Buddy Shui. May everything go well right now on this ride. Suzuki is currently closed, but we are still active here, still active, showing motorcycles, still attending to customers. So if you want one, you can find it here at Let's Talk About Motorcycles. Let's go for it. Let's find a quick loop. That's it just now. I'm not convinced. There is now. Let's go. What can I see? Suzuki GSX-R 600, 125 horsepower. It's the 600 you can buy with the most horsepower
from the market. So if you want a motorcycle with the most power, Suzuki GSX-R 600 is simple. Yang tells it to secure possibility is for you, man. Let's go. We need to get to the highway.
To be able to test this bike, jump.
This way, escaping from the police because my license plate fell off and I don't have it. So let's go for it.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, how I love sports bikes. I think there's a video of this bike on the channel. If I remember correctly, it was a ride to Mexicali and just reaching the Rumorosa. They were going to Mexicali and I couldn't join them up to the Rumorosa. Now I remember. Very good bike. That ride was with stories, with anecdotes, because I ran into a club on the road that honestly didn't give me a good time, an enjoyable time, honestly, and I haven't forgotten it. I mean, it's not that I have a problem with them, but we're bikers. We have to support each other. In the end, we're people, right? Who have motorcycles, who are passionate about the same thing, which is motorcycles, and we have to support each other regardless of the club names, regardless of the brand type. Es una frente. Honestly, having another biker brother support you on the road, greet you, well, it's the best. You feel protected, you feel accompanied on the road, and I have that experience there. On that ride, that's why I remember it a lot. Wow, a lot of traffic to go to the dam, and I'm heading to that bridge. They're going to make it really difficult for me because I'm going to that little bridge, and here I have the expressway on my left. Huh? There it is. Ready? We passed. This turn is super steep and super tight. You have to be very careful there. Here they merge and exit. You also have to be very careful, but we are on a motorcycle, so give us the VIP pass. 4. We are merging now. Be very careful. Watch out for potholes. Watch out for the little dirt patches. For us to keep enjoying this beautiful motorcycle. Let's read the traffic here. Let's go. Watch out for the car on the right. That's it. Careful. All good. And let's go. Wow. Let's be careful here. Attention. Right is clear. Right is closed. I don't know how you guys are doing, but I'm going with a smile inside the helmet. Ha ha. Careful here with my buddy from the F. No TD Platinum. I want one of those. Limited. I know it was platinum. Lobo. I don't know what it's called in Mexico. Over there it was platinum. That little car is very bad with or without a turn signal. I mean, I also know I'm here having fun, but I'm watching out for the cars here. Careful with my buddy, the little black car. Let's see what it does. He has to get in after this on. He has to get in, that's it. You see, you always have to be on the defensive.
Being careful from all sides.
Hey, there's a big pothole there, huh? It's been a while since I took this third lane on this side of the expressway, and there's a big pothole. The gap doesn't open up for me anymore. Well, it's not a pothole, it was a dip. It wasn't really a pothole, it was a little dip. No, I didn't know it. That dip is new to me. Normally, as I head towards Sutai, I like the curves there when going up. I didn't know if there would be traffic. Sometimes it ruins my experience, but this time I wanted to test the speed of the bike because the last time I used it, I felt a bit insecure. Right now, it feels more free. It feels more, how can I explain it? The bike feels more agile, more free. Yes, it improved completely. Obviously, it's semi-new, and there are some little details that need to be changed. But what more do you want for 95,000 pesos, man? You already saw the video. You already saw how it runs. Now you just need to buy it. Only thing left is for you to buy it. So if you want it, come over here. This is Let's Talk About Motorcycles aboard the beautiful Suzuki GSX-R 600, my friend. So friend, if you're looking for a sports motorcycle 600, Suzuki GSX-R 600, you've already seen it in action. Send a message, buy it for 95,000 pesos cash, in payments, in installments, however. Wherever you are, nationwide shipping, obviously extra cost. So if you want it, send a message and buy it now. Click below and take it, man. Let's talk about motorcycles. Buy motorcycles, man.
I tell you, buy motorcycles, earn a commission, you have a motorcycle, you invest it, want a new one, don't like the detail, we have new ones, man. Hey, these cables aren't original. No, buddy, but here we have them with original cables. 265,000 pesos, 2026. Oh, it's missing the little screws. No problem, man. We sell you one with little screws. 265,000 pesos. Also cash, also on credit, however you want, man. See you. Buy motorcycles.